Once the cry of the wild in Punjab was fading. The rivers had grown silent, the forests were shrinking, and the flight of our birds had become a rare sight. But today, the wilderness breathes again. Under the Punjab Wildlife and Biodiversity Revival programs, we have launched the most ambitious rescue, rehabilitation and conservation movement in Pakistan's history. A renaissance of compassion and coexistence. Since March 2024, Punjab has led a province-wise operation that has rescued over 35,000 rare birds. And that has rescued 700 animals. With the first ever dedicated bear rehabilitation. The enclosure that we set up at Lahore Safari providing sanctuary to 23 rescued bears, cute ones. For the first time, AI-driven drone surveys are mapping wildlife habitats across the province, while Pakistan's first ever black buck drone census, the first of its kind in the world, has set a global benchmark in conservation science. Through an AI-based wildlife consensus being conducted in partnership with IUCN, Punjab is building a living digital map of every species across our ecosystem. But beyond the data, ladies and gentlemen, lies a human story of empathy and innovation.